You excited?
Yeah. Very.
Do you remember the last time we came here?
Yeah.
Last year actually.
Yeah. Last.
We came here last year, and the place was closed. It was under renovation. I never know why they were
it wasn't
open.
closed. We came, but all the roller coasters.
All the roller coasters. We didn't do anything.
And the worst part is, all the roller coasters opened right after we left. The
Yeah, it's a
day
bummer.
after, when we were there,
Yeah.
they all opened.
All right, we're here. So where are you guys?
We're here.
So to do the mini golf, the playground, whatever. So 5 and she said 5 and 4, not 5 and 6. 5 and 4, you have to pay directly.
I think we go
which
to
one are we doing first?
go to 5 first.
We go to 4. Number 4 is before 5.
Yeah,
Why
but
are you
it's
walking?
further than
Petting
5.
bunny.
Let's go. And then we're at 2:15. At 2:15, we have to be at number 8. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
I need to put me down.
Tigers are actually my favorite animals.
Let's go and see. It's a shame about the Eco Quad bike. So she said Eco Quad bike, it's from 5 to 10. And so Arno, well, you're 12, but he's a small 12 and he's very light. So I would have had to go with Megan. And for the other one, which is out of service today,
It's 12 to-
Arno would still need an adult, and we're short of an adult. So
Yeah, there's only one adult.
there's only one adult. Okay.
I would need an
So
adult.
let's
I thought
go.
she said you can go alone.
The one that's out of order, you could
Oh.
have gone with an adult, but it's out of order.
What about me?
Why is it out of order?
You would still need an adult. No, the other one was too big for her. I don't know. That's the rules, boy. Okay. So
So,
the last time we came, we looked at the birds. I don't want to go to the birds today.
no.
Yeah,
So where is we go straight? Is there numbers? Are you following the numbers?
Yes, yes.
Wait, last time we saw the toucan.
Wait.
I love toucan.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, they look so cool.
Toucan and a toucan because
I wonder what the dodo bird is going to look like when scientists bring them back.
Are you serious?
Yeah, scientists are going to bring back the dodo bird.
Okay. All right.
it's a 5 to 10 minute walk.
I'm sure it's about 31.5 degrees right now. It is so hot. I'm telling you, my Lucozad, we just come from the shop. The tuck shop, the canteen, whatever you want to call it. It's not cold. You find it cold?
Not in the slightest.
Not in the slightest. Okay, so we cross here. You know where you're going, huh? I'm counting on you. Okay, let's go.
It's quite a big dog.
These are the bird cages over there.
Oh, I see it.
Yeah.
I don't remember the last time when we saw the toucan. I think it was somewhere there, the toucan. I'm
Yeah,
not sure.
it was in one of those bird cage. So, 4, 5, and 6. All right.
Okay, 4, 5, and 6, they're over here. Whoa, that's a big pond. Hello, neighbors.
Looks like this is a duck.
It looks like a duck, goose.
Pretty angry one.
Let me see the monkey kingdom. You're not coming to the monkey? Okay, I'm coming. You are? Okay. Let's see. Oh, he's eating. The monkey's eating.
Look at the monkey.
Ah, do you see it eating?
Whoa, that's messy people.
No, he's got good fruits.
Yeah, but look at the floor. He doesn't clean up after himself.
Good for me.
You want to go and clean after him?
No. Do I look like a monkey to you?
You could be.
He's looking at you. He doesn't like what you're saying. Don't say these things about the monkey.
That's my
Monkey.
closest relative.
Monkey goo.
Is there another one down the wall? I think I see. Hang on. I'm
So
seeing.
it tells us each animal's status.
There's one up here.
Is it?
Yeah. It's just relaxing.
There is up there too. Do you see it? Oh yeah, I see it. There's one up
Please
here.
don't tap on the glass. What happens if I do?
Just don't.
I want to try.
Okay, let's move on to the next one. Let's go. Next.
I have so much energy.
The Lucozade give you energy.
Yeah.
Here's your drink.
I'm taking.
He said that's flamingo.
Ah. Okay, so according to Arno, tell me your fun fact about flamingos. I hope you're right, because me, I don't know.
They're only pink because of the food they eat.
The what?
They're only pink because of what they eat in the wild.
What do you know about flamingos?
That they're pink.
Maggie! Okay, I don't know about this fact. I have to fact check this. I'm not sure. But this one is a white one, right? I'm not seeing...
Yeah,
I'm not colorblind. They're white.
Yeah, because the food that they eat in the wild is not here. They get fed other.
Can't they get them the food that they eat in the wild? No?
They can, but they don't want to.
They don't, I don't know if they don't want to. Maybe it's costly. Okay, let's move. Let's go to our... where we're supposed to be.
Yeah,
I'm sweating.
I know one standing on one wall. I know what talking about.
I don't know what number this is. What number is this? Because this is at the petting place. Is that? Do you see mini golf anywhere here? At the back where these kids are? I'm only seeing ducks. It's like an open petting farm, petting zoo.
Now we found the restaurant.
Okay.
Yes, I'm 12, and yes, I am drinking.
Nice. Go, go, go. Woo, you're strong.
And this, then what?
Go back, go back. You're supposed to turn. What?
Watch this.
Nice.
Let me try to do what she did.
And then
Go.
backwards through.
Go, go, go.
Yes, go. Go. And then go back.
You got
Go
both?
back.
Go back, go back.
And then do a backflip. Good, no, two.
Let him
Okay,
do
go.
it.
Do a backflip. Land it.
Woo!
We go to the Predator Kingdom.
Okay, wait. I want to know, what is this called? A golf stick?
Yeah, golf.
Golf club.
Club.
golf
Yeah, golf club. Okay. So give yourself, what, 10 minutes to play this? Less?
He said we have 30 minutes, but
But we can't consume 30 minutes. We don't
We can do this in like 10 minutes.
Okay.
And then we go to the Predator Kingdom because even though the drive-thru is for lions and tigers, there's a dedicated area where we can just walk in and see like lions and other big cats. I think even cheetahs or whatever like that as well. Not sure though.
Sawa. Okay, go.
What the hell, man? What?
What?
Again.
Again.
Yeah, I went out. What? Why?
Okay, maybe 30 minutes was accurate.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7.
Is it like a funnel?
Oh.
It's on a
7.
slope though.
Come on.
8.
Oh my god. Are you serious?
9.
It's on a slope.
10.
11. It's gonna be 11.
11.
11.
Okay.
11. 12. Oh my gosh.
Calculate.
And there's a restaurant. You can have cocktails, light lunch, even heavy lunch, pizza. There's a spot for somebody who's throwing a birthday party. Whew. These ones are still playing golf. Jesus.
I got it.
Hello. So my mom's doing the mini golf because I quit. Like it's on a slope and whatever. So
1, 2,
Hey.
3, 4.
see, it's on a slope. Keeps coming back.
What can I do?
5.
That's the trick. That's the trick part. Oh, good.
Hey, it's my. Okay, you go first. It was supposed to be my turn. You go first. 1.
This is like food you shouldn't put in your mouth.
2.
This thing is heavy.
Is that? Yeah, I know.
4.
Woo! Come on!
4.
Yes! 4!
My turn.
Woo!
Move away.
We have like 10.
Are you going?
Yeah.
Okay. It's free, right? Wait, it's not free as in you have to pay it, right? Maggie, my bag! I left my bag over there! Oops.
I don't. She reaches up to here.
Let's see what they say.
She reaches up to here. Right in the middle.
Bonjour. Hi. Okay, wait. She's going to get the bag. So wait, my daughter is coming.
That's fine. Yes.
She can go. Okay, she can go. Yeah, she's coming. Just give her a minute.
She's above.
I forgot my bag not somewhere. I forgot my bag. Maggie's gonna get it. Because my kids got me to come and play golf, so I got distracted.
Where's she?
She's coming. What do they mean by 75 kilos? Like I can go too?
Yeah. It's with a max weight of 75 kilos.
So adults can go too?
Yeah.
I can go?
Yeah.
Oh,
Are you below
okay.
75 kilos?
I'm below 75 kilos. How dare you? Yeah, let's just go with her. She wants company. Plus, we're already in the park. So,
But you're with me.
yeah, we're here.
Next time when we travel, we go somewhere that has like actual
No, but the
roller coasters.
heights, she can. Well, anyway, let's not argue that.
That has actual roller coasters.
But why does it matter with the weight?
No, the weight doesn't matter. It's just.
It's not the. So, this one?
No.
No, come on.
You don't like it?
It spins at like 2 kilometers an hour whilst it moves you up and down.
It's cute.
I'm 12.
Move. Is she coming? Or is that. Who's there? Ask if there's somebody here?
You want to do the
Ow.
teacup?
Yeah, she wants to do it.
Excuse me.
I personally feel that there are some rides that although an 8-year-old doesn't actually have the height, but of course has had the experience, like for example, let me just take a merry-go-round. It's a little, I don't want to use the word unfair, but I think that if the child is experienced, has gone in merry-go-rounds all over the world, just because she's like an inch or two below the height, acceptable height that they've set for themselves as part of their standards, I think it's a bit unfair. Anyway, so poor Megan, she was denied the merry-go-rounds. It's a little unfair. Yeah, good. It's a cafe. It is.
Pay for another go, but we can use yours.
All right, so at the main roller coaster, you can't film, you can't use your cell phone for safety reasons, as you have to, it's a manual kind of roller coaster thingy. You've got to really pump it yourself, apply the brakes yourself, and stop it yourself. Megan could go, she's 8, of course accompanied by an adult, with me. And I saw smaller kids as well. There is a bit of speed, nothing to the extreme. I suppose it's different when you are going alone. My son went alone. So yeah, I think this is what we're doing next. This is it. Yeah, this is number 8. So this is the tour. This is the tour that we are doing. How long is this shuttle ride? Let me see something.
Anybody need the bathroom?
You can. I don't need. You don't need it. I don't need it.
Oh, there's camels.
Mm.
Oh, on it.
This is what we're gonna take for the tour. It's a drive-through tour. What are we supposed to see? We're supposed to see lions, tigers. What else? Other big predators. The tour is about 1 hour, and this is the little bus shelter. That's what they call it.
Little?
Oh, it's not that big. It's just a simple, basic waiting area.
Ça va? Vous avez vu le safari? Il y a
It's okay. Nothing.
on va déjà pas nous. Ouais, c'est ça.
Yeah, I want to sit here because it's easier.
Arne, sit in front of us.
No, it's okay. You can sit at the back.
Yeah.
No?
Yeah, I'll sit back here.
Yeah, it's okay. I think we're good. We're going to see anyhow, right? It's easier to get out. It's easier to get out as well.
Allez, vers de là. Allez, regardez.
Celui qui vient de passer Casela en câlin, donc c'est son fils.
Bien blessé.
Petit banc.
Petit ben.
Huge. What the size of its head?
Je te dis que j'ai mal au poumon, tu arrêtes de bouger.
Vas-y, les robots. Vas-y, Anna. Allez, allez.
Bon, allez, il y a des chevaux là. Ok, merci. Pardon. Merci.
Plaisir. Okay.
Thank you. Welcome. All right, thank you very much.
Welcome, enjoy.
Thank you. All right, that's it for the tour. It was exactly 1 hour. We just saw some white lions, the oldest lion. What else did we see? Tiger. That was about it. Okay. Let's see if this guy is there. I'm supposed to have a lion encounter. Or lion engagement, whatever they call it.
Walking with the lions.
No, not walking with the lion. This is just like petting, engaging with the lion. That's what they call it.
But then what does it say on the board that walking?
There is walking with the lion and engaging with the lion. There is.
So which one are you doing?
I just said engaging with the lion. My kids don't listen to me. I don't know why.
Let's go. Show us what you got, Kate.
Caught it. Encounter with the lion.
Woohoo!
Right, so we were talking about electric wires. These old wires. Most of the old wires. You're gonna change your weight.
My haircut is really hot.
Allez là.
Okay, let's see what you got. Cottage. What do you think? What's gonna happen?
So yeah,
She's gonna get mauled.
Come on.
girl.
Can't be good at this
She's
one.
gonna
Oh, she doesn't get eaten.
run away.
You're not allowed to run. That's dangerous. Or else they run after you and then you get eaten because they're faster than you.
Oh really?
Yeah. Let's watch her. Go, Kate. Everybody say go, Kate.
Boy, Kate. Go.
There she goes. Aye, stop moving. Come on, man.
You're restricting me from access.
Okay.
I don't know. So, where is she? Oh, they're behind the fence. Sorry. So she's there, the one in the pink. Megan, do you know how to zoom in?
You can't.
Oh.
Totally. Okay, I'm just doing you. Can't zoom in. Make sure you don't take everything. Okay? You need to stop for a while. What the hell are you doing? You're taking the gates.
So she's at the Leons right now.
Okay, let's take a video.
She's at the Leons right now. That's the most beautiful strawberry thing I've ever seen.
Well, she's still in there. Oh, she's going further. Well, guess who's there? She's petting the lion. Look at her go. So, did you have a fun time? I saw you pet the lion. Was the lion soft?
The skin is very firm and the fur is very short.
So,
Now we say thank you, it's done. Now we go get the photo.
let's go.
Thank you so much. I'll see you next
See
time.
you next time.
Are you done?
Several cats.
All right, it's done, it's over. We've spent our afternoon here in Casela. Super hot. I think now we've pretty much done all the activities. Okay, except Maggie, but that was like just one or two. No big deal.
There's a lot of activities.
No, what didn't you do? We did almost.
Those other roller coasters.
Yeah, we said no. We did it. It was what we paid for. We did.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, but we did what we.
There's also zebra. There's also the African savanna animals.
Yeah. Okay, so
do the
Camel riding.
we did what we paid for. Honestly, it's too hot. I'm exhausted. It was quite a distance to walk to find some of these numbers, some of these stations. But all in all, it was okay. Oh my God. Yeah. Maybe next time we'll come and do the ones that we didn't do, but we'll see. Maybe we shall see, because otherwise you're gonna have to be really fast and although we spent the entire afternoon here, we ended up doing the roller coaster ride twice. We had to wait a little bit before we actually boarded the the truck for the tour. So we waited on that. So it's, and then you spend a lot of time walking to and from places. So yeah, but we'll see. Okay, so that's it from us, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.